Huh?
You ever wonder why your computer sometimes sounds like a tiny jet engine? Or is it important for your computer's health to have a cooling system? Well, we go deeper into the world of computer cooling today. Let us begin with a curious question. Why does the computer have to cool down so much? Number 1. Generating heat. The science behind it. The components are activated every time you start a computer for games, work, or even to browse the internet. But there's a catch. They're generating heat. Yeah, these powerful processors, graphics cards, and even hard drives are like tiny furnaces that generate heat as they process data at lightning speed. When these components work harder, they heat up like a car engine while driving long distances. That heat can generate temperatures that are not only uncomfortable, but might also damage your valuable equipment. Number 2, the hot issue. Importance of cooling. Why is this heat so important, you might ask? Let's discuss the dangers of overheating. Your computer components will not be able to work efficiently as soon as they exceed their thermal limits. Your system may be slowing down or even shutting down to prevent a potential meltdown, not a nuclear meltdown. That's how your computer tells you, I need a break. And there's more. Prolonged exposure to temperatures above 100 degrees can result in permanent damage. Imagine that because of too much heat, your expensive gaming rig or workstation PC will cease to function. Here, cooling systems are stepping in as the lesser-known heroes of digital space. Number 3. Champions of chill. Air and liquid cooling. In order to keep your computer cool, there are two main methods, air cooling and liquid cooling. The first one is air cooling. The air cooling machine relies on heat sinks and fans connected to each other. A heat sink, which usually consists of a rough metal structure, soaks up the heat coming from the components. In these heat sinks, fans come in and blow cool air across them to get rid of the heat. On a hot day, it looks like your computer's cool breeze. The second one is liquid cooling. It's liquid cooling that you need if you want a more advanced solution. It starts by introducing liquid coolant that flows through a network of tubes, absorbing heat as it passes the components. The warmed liquid is transported to the radiator, where the fans cool it before it begins its next cycle. In your computer, it's like a mini symphony of cooling. Number 4, the cooling symphony, how it all works. The two methods are working in line with each other's aim of cooling down the heat. They have a delicate balance between cooling efficiency, noise, and cost. Air cooling is often simpler and more budget-friendly, whereas liquid cooling offers better performance and can be customized for enthusiasts. Remember, thank you for keeping me cool is your hardware's way of saying thank you when your computer sounds like it's preparing for takeoff. Efficient cooling is not just about performance. It's about protecting your investment and ensuring the longevity of your system. If you found this journey as thrilling as a sci-fi adventure, don't forget to drop a like, hit that subscribe button, and ring the notification bell. See you again. Thank you.